harder. I literally shot myself during half of that movie. It was like,
Did you watch it?
yeah, I did.
Oh, that was pretty. I like that one. You gotta say what your favorite one is.
Oh, look how high those lanterns are. So high,
Ooh,
so
that's
high, so high.
You like those guys? Shooting star. Billy, what's your favorite kind?
What?
What's your favorite?
The shells?
Huh?
The favorite kind of shells?
What kind of favorite?
Oh, mine's the with the crackle. The second ordinary. Oh, those are nice.
I like those.
Those are the golden palms.
Oh, I like palms. Palms are cool. Me and Billy got palm one.
Oh, that's my favorite right there. Yeah.
I like the ones that spread apart. Those ones are pretty cool. It looks like we have the firework map, but you know what I mean, Billy?
Mhm.